Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today I have another face mask tutorial for you that will help you to continue to maintain your beautiful skin. And if you happen to have acne prone skin like me, then it will help you keep your skin clear of acne. So again, we're using all natural ingredients, and today we're using honey, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon. This recipe I have used quite a bit in the past and I love it. It always leaves my skin fresh and looking radiant, so it's another one of my go-to face masks for a healthy looking skin. For measurement, I'm using a teaspoon because I only need enough for one serving. You can also make this and keep it in the fridge if you intend to use it in a couple days. But for now, I'm using 1 teaspoon of honey, about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I will also give you the benefit of these ingredients to help you understand why they are great for skin. As you already know, honey is a skin moisturizer, exfoliator, pore cleanser. It helps in reducing wrinkles, fights acne and pimples, and much more. Again, when you're using honey, it's best to use the unpasteurized honey because that is better for your skin. So here I'm just gonna mix everything together. I'm going to stir it to make sure that everything is mixed into a paste. If you want it to be a little bit more loose, you can add more honey, but I just need it to be a firm paste so I can apply it on my skin. Nutmeg is packed with antioxidant and anti-aging properties. It is used to fight off wrinkles, fine lines. It helps in reducing or removing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Ultimately, it will leave your skin looking healthy and clear. Now I'm just going to apply it on my face. I'm just going to be using my fingers, but again, if you have a mask applicator, you can use that, but I like using my hands, so I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers to get all the areas of my skin. Lastly, we have cinnamon. Benefits of cinnamon. We have cinnamon is packed with antioxidant and antibacterial properties as well. That can help heal the skin and fight blemishes, as well as clear away dark spots from the skin. So overall, these ingredients will not only fight acne, but they will also help keeping your skin clear, free of bacteria, and will have your skin looking moisturized, healthy, and beautiful, which is what we all want, right? So I'm just applying all the products on my skin as I just made enough for one serving. I'm making sure I apply it everywhere that I can so I don't have any leftovers at this point. So I'm just going to keep applying it all over my forehead and just making sure I don't get it into my eyes and my mouth. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever used this recipe before. Before I got this recipe from one of my co-workers back then, I never heard of it. That was probably like 6 years ago. So I know it's not a very popular recipe. Let me know if you've heard of it or if you've used it before. So I'm done applying it. As you can see, there's nothing left in my little container. Now the weight is on. We just have to wait for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes max. And once that's done, you can just remove it and wash your face. To remove the product, you can use a wipe or you can just rinse it out with your cleanser. So I'm just going to first use my wipe to remove some of it out of my face, and then I'm going to be using this Olay Pore Detoxifying Scrub Cleanser. So I'll just put it on the wipe and I'll just scrub my face with that. That's what I usually do because this wipe is such a good quality wipe that I like washing my face with it as well. And once I'm done scrubbing my face with the product, my cleanser I mean, I will be rinsing out the products off of my face, and then I will be using my moisturizer to moisturize my face. So far my skin is looking nice and clean. As you can see, it's clear and it feels good as well. To be honest, I really like the way my skin feels right now. Having just removed the products in it, I feel like it feels really fresh. So great products, great ingredients to use if you want to keep your skin healthy and beautiful. So to complete, I'm just going to use my Vichy moisturizer. It's a moisturizer for acne prone skin with salicylic acid in it. So that's what I use as moisturizer, but of course you can use any moisturizers that you have, and that's best for your skin. And this completes this tutorial. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. There will be many more videos like this in the future. And thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!